What if I told you that while you sleep, an AI system could be scanning thousands of web applications, finding critical vulnerabilities, and earning you six-figure bug bounties on autopilot? In 2024, top bug bounty hunters are using AI automation to scale their operations 100 times. Imagine a security researcher who built an automated system that discovered 127 vulnerabilities in just 3 months, earning over $180,000 from programs like HackerOne, Bugcrowd, and Intigriti. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now, and I'm going to show you exactly how to build this system. Let's deep dive into the complete system architecture, a 4-layer approach designed for maximum efficiency. Layer 1 focuses on continuous reconnaissance, utilizing powerful tools like Amass, Subfinder, Asset Finder, and custom DNS enumeration scripts to map out targets. Layer 2 involves intelligent asset classification, employing machine learning models trained on vast historical vulnerability data to categorize findings. Layer 3 is our automated scanning engine, powered by Nuclei, custom Burp Suite extensions, and API-first testing frameworks for comprehensive analysis. Finally, Layer 4 is the AI decision engine, which intelligently prioritizes findings, generates sophisticated exploits, and automates report submissions. Infrastructure requirements include cloud deployment on AWS or GCP with distributed scanning nodes, webhook integration for real-time notifications, and secure credential management using HashiCorp Vault. Now, let's delve into advanced reconnaissance techniques in exhaustive detail. Start with subdomain enumeration. Discuss how to chain multiple tools using Python scripts. Implement recursive DNS queries. Leverage certificate transparency logs using crt.sh API. And monitor GitHub for exposed subdomains. Cover port scanning automation with Nmap and Masscan, explaining how to optimize scan speeds without triggering rate limits. Discuss technology fingerprinting using Wappalyzer, built with, and custom header analysis. Explain how to build a continuous monitoring system that detects new assets in real time using diff algorithms and automated baseline comparisons. Share specific code examples. Show how to use HTTPX for mass HTTP probing, how to integrate multiple reconnaissance tools into a unified pipeline, and how to store results in a PostgreSQL database for historical analysis. Next, we'll deep dive into intelligent vulnerability detection. Explain how to use Nuclei with custom templates, covering the template syntax, how to write your own detection logic, and how to integrate with the Nuclei template repository for automatic updates. Discuss advanced Burp Suite automation using the Burp API, Python extensions, and how to create custom active scanners. Explain API security testing in detail, GraphQL introspection attacks, REST API endpoint enumeration, JWT token manipulation, OAuth flow vulnerabilities, and API rate limit bypass techniques. Cover how to implement intelligent fuzzing using AI models that learn from successful payloads. Explain SQL injection detection beyond basic payloads, blind SQLi timing attacks, second-order injection, database-specific exploitation, and how to chain SQLi with other vulnerabilities for maximum impact. Now, let's explore how to train machine learning models for vulnerability prediction. Discuss dataset creation using historical bug bounty data from platforms like HackerOne's disclosed reports. Cover feature engineering, extracting meaningful patterns from HTTP responses, JavaScript files, and application behavior. Explain classification models using scikit-learn or TensorFlow to predict vulnerability likelihood. Discuss natural language processing for analyzing JavaScript code to find hidden API endpoints, authentication bypass opportunities, and business logic flaws. Explain how to use GPT-4 or Claude for intelligent payload generation, showing specific prompt engineering techniques that generate effective XSS, SQLi, and SSRF payloads. Now, let's explore cutting-edge attack vectors. Explain SSRF exploitation in depth, how to bypass filters, chain SSRF with cloud metadata endpoints, and pivot to internal networks. Discuss XXE injection in modern applications, including XXE via file uploads and XML parsers. Cover deserialization vulnerabilities in Java, Python, and PHP applications. Explain authentication bypass techniques, JWT algorithm confusion, OAuth redirect, URI manipulation, SAML vulnerabilities, and session fixation attacks. Discuss business logic vulnerabilities, race conditions in payment systems, IDER and API endpoints, price manipulation, and multi-step process bypass. Explain how to chain multiple low-severity findings into critical impact exploits. Let's visualize the complete end-to-end automation workflow. Explain how to set up continuous integration pipelines using GitHub Actions or Jenkins to run your scanning tools 24/7. Discuss notification systems using Slack webhooks, Discord bots, and Telegram APIs for instant vulnerability alerts. Explain result deduplication using hashing algorithms to avoid reporting the same vulnerability twice. Cover automated report generation. How to structure professional vulnerability reports, include proof of concept code, calculate CVSS scores, and suggest remediation steps. Discuss rate limiting strategies to avoid being banned from bug bounty programs. It's crucial to address the ethical implications of automation in bug bounty hunting. Explain the importance of respecting program rules, avoiding automated testing on out-of-scope domains, and implementing safeguards to prevent accidental damage. Discuss rate limiting your scans, using responsible disclosure timelines, and building positive relationships with security teams. Explain how to document your methodology for transparency. Let's dive into some real-world case studies. Case 1. How a researcher used automated subdomain takeover detection to find 23 vulnerable subdomains across multiple programs, earning $45,000. Case 2. Using AI-powered JavaScript analysis to discover hidden admin endpoints in a major e-commerce platform, resulting in a $30,000 critical payout. Case 3. Automated SSRF detection and microservices architecture leading to internal network access and a $50,000 reward. These cases highlight the specific tools, techniques, and thought processes used. Now, let's discuss how to scale from an individual researcher to bug bounty automation at scale. Explain team collaboration strategies, cost optimization for cloud infrastructure, and how to manage multiple programs simultaneously. Cover profit margins. Typical cost $500 to $2,000 per month for infrastructure versus potential earnings $5,000 to $50,000 plus per month for skilled researchers with good automation. Here's an actionable roadmap to get you started. Step 1. Start with basic reconnaissance automation this week. Step 2. Implement nuclei scanning with custom templates. Step 3. Add AI-powered analysis using GPT-powered API. Step 4. Scale to distributed infrastructure. For resources, check out my GitHub repository with starter scripts and recommended books like The Web Application Hacker's Handbook and Real-World Bug Hunting. Also, consider courses on Portswigger Academy and Pentester Lab. Subscribe now because next week I'm releasing part 2 where I'll share my complete automation framework, including all scripts, templates, and the exact AI prompts I use. I'll also show you the 5 programs where automated testing is most profitable and the specific vulnerability patterns that pay the most. Follow me on Twitter at your handle for daily automation tips. Link in description for the complete starter toolkit, and my $200 course on advanced bug bounty automation is 50% off this week only. Don't just compete with other hunters. Use AI to amplify your capabilities 100 times and join the new generation of automated security researchers earning consistent 6-figure incomes.